If Chrome is syncing your password, bookmark, and browser data across devices and you don't want that, this is how you can turn it off in seconds. So Chrome syncs share your data between devices using your Google account. That's useful, but on shared or work computer, it can be a privacy risk. Now to stop sync, what you want to do is open your Google Chrome browser, and once opened, you want to click on your profile here and you see the option sync is on. You can simply click on this and this will take you to your sync settings. Or if you do not find that option, you can simply click on the three dots here, scroll down to the bottom and click on settings. Another settings here, you want to click on sync and Google services. This will bring you here. Here you'll be able to turn off sync. So simply click on turn off and you see the option to turn it off. You can also remove bookmark, history, password, and others from the device. So that's how you can turn it off. But if you don't want to turn sync off completely, you can choose what to sync instead. While on this page, you want to click on manage what you sync here, and you see sync everything and customize sync. You can choose customize sync in this section. So if you do not want your password and passkeys to be synced, you can toggle it off in this section. Go through all the list in this section and toggle off what you do not want to be synced. Once you're done, this will be saved. So simply hit on back and this will be set as the default settings for your sync. Chrome will stop syncing your data across devices. If you're using a shared computer, turning off sync helps protect your personal information. So if your Chrome feels slow, watch the next video where I'll show you how to disable extensions without deleting them. Thank you for watching.